Most people believe that when their money sits in a bank account, it's growing safely over time. But the truth is a little different. Yes, the numbers in your account might increase because of interest, but the real value of that money is often shrinking. Why? Because inflation usually grows faster than the interest banks pay you. As prices rise, your money loses purchasing power. In simple terms, leaving too much cash in the bank can slowly reduce your wealth. So the question becomes, where should you store your money so it actually grows in value? In this video, we're going to explore 6 powerful assets that can help protect your money from inflation and even build wealth that can last for generations. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos on money, investing, and building financial freedom. Now, let's begin. 1. Precious metals. For thousands of years, precious metals have been used as a reliable store of value. Metals like gold, silver, and platinum are limited in supply, which makes them naturally valuable. Unlike paper money that governments can print endlessly, precious metals cannot be created easily. That scarcity is what protects their value over time. When inflation rises and currencies weaken, investors often turn to precious metals to protect their wealth. History shows that gold, for example, has increased significantly in price over long periods of time. Many wealthy investors keep a portion of their portfolios in precious metals for this exact reason. If you don't want to store physical gold or silver yourself, you can still invest through gold ETFs, which allow you to benefit from price movement without owning the metal physically. 2. Industrial commodities. Another asset class that can perform well during periods of high demand is industrial commodities. Metals like copper, cobalt, nickel, and silver are essential for modern industries. They're used in electronics, renewable energy systems, batteries, and many other technologies. For example, cobalt plays a critical role in the production of batteries used in electric vehicles. As electric vehicles become more popular worldwide, the demand for cobalt and similar materials has surged. Because these materials are difficult to replace and require complex mining processes, their prices can increase significantly when demand rises. Instead of purchasing raw materials directly, investors often gain exposure by investing in mining companies, commodity funds, or commodity-related stocks. 3. Strong global currencies. Not all currencies are created equal. Some currencies are considered safe havens because they belong to countries with strong economies and political stability. Currencies such as the Swiss franc, British pound, and Chinese yuan are often viewed as more stable during periods of global uncertainty. During financial crises, investors sometimes move their money into these stronger currencies to protect their wealth from depreciation in weaker currencies. While opening foreign bank accounts may not always be practical, investors can gain exposure to international currencies through currency ETFs or forex trading platforms. 4. Government-backed securities. Another relatively safe investment option comes from government-backed securities. Modern currencies are no longer backed by gold. Instead, they rely on the credibility and strength of the governments that issue them. Because governments are responsible for the stability of their economies, their bonds and treasury securities are often considered lower-risk investments. For example, investors can purchase government bonds, treasury bills, or treasury notes, which typically offer better returns than leaving money in a traditional savings account. These investments provide steady income while being supported by the financial stability of the issuing government. 5. Value stocks and dividend funds. Stocks are one of the most powerful tools for long-term wealth building. However, not all stocks carry the same level of risk. Generally, stocks fall into 2 major categories: growth stocks and value stocks. Growth stocks focus on companies that are expected to expand rapidly, but they often come with higher risk. Value stocks, on the other hand, belong to established companies with consistent demand and stable earnings. These companies frequently pay dividends to their investors, providing both income and potential price appreciation. For investors who prefer diversification, dividend-focused mutual funds or index funds can offer exposure to many reliable companies at once, making them a practical option for long-term investors. 6. real estate, and land. Real estate has always been one of the most valuable assets in the world. Land is limited, and as the global population continues to grow, the demand for housing and commercial property continues to rise. Unlike many other assets, land itself does not depreciate. Homes, office buildings, and commercial properties built on that land can generate rental income while also increasing in value over time. Historically, property values have grown significantly over long periods, making real estate a powerful hedge against inflation. If purchasing property directly feels too expensive, investors can still participate through real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow individuals to invest in real estate portfolios without buying property themselves. 7. Collectibles. Another unique category of assets is collectibles. Items like vintage cars, rare artwork, limited edition watches, luxury handbags, and first edition books can sometimes increase dramatically in value. What makes collectibles valuable is rarity and demand. When an item is extremely limited and highly desired by collectors, its price can increase significantly over time. However, collectibles usually require specialized knowledge and patience to find the right buyers. Today, many online platforms allow people to buy, sell, or even invest in fractional ownership of collectibles, making this asset class more accessible than ever before. Final thoughts. The biggest financial mistake many people make is relying only on cash savings. While saving money is important, true wealth is built by owning valuable assets. By diversifying into assets like precious metals, commodities, strong currencies, government securities, stocks, real estate, and collectibles, you can better protect your money from inflation and grow your wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload new videos about money, investing, and building long-term financial success. And remember, don't just work for money. Make your money work for you.